We have the h part of this coordinate geometry, which is when the two lines are perpendicular. So m2, to find m2 is equals to minus 1 over m1. m1 is gotten from this equation here. So we have an example here. Find the equation of the straight line through bracket minus 2, 3, and perpendicular to this. So let's start with this equation here. We have 4x plus 3y minus 5 is equals to 0. Let's make y the subject. So we have 3y, when plus 4x comes here, is minus 4x, when minus 5 comes here, is plus 5. Divide both sides by 3. So our y is equals to minus 4 over 3x plus 5 over 3. We are trying to compare it with this equation, and here is our m1. So our m1 is what is in front of x. So our m1 is equals to minus 4 over 3. Then, but after that, we are going to use y minus y1 is equals to m2 bracket x minus x1. But to get our m2 is equals to minus 1 over m1. So minus 1 divided by our m1 is minus 4 over 3, which is minus 1 times, it will interchange. 3 over minus 4. Minus will cancel minus, so it's 3 over 4. So when you get m1, you do minus 1 over, when you get m1, to get m2, minus 1 over m1, based on the rule there, because they are perpendicular. So let's substitute. Remember they gave you at y at the point we have here is minus 2 and 3. So here is x1, y1. Going by this formula, we have y minus x, y1 is 3, is equals to, my m2 is 3 over 4, is equals, bracket x minus, minus is already here, x1 is minus, so minus times minus is plus 2. Let's open the bracket. 3 over 4 times x is 3x over 4, plus 3 times 2 is 6 over 4. So let's collect like terms, or let's multiply each of the term by LCM 4. So I have 4 bracket y minus 3 is equals to 4 bracket 3x over 4 plus 4 bracket 6 over 4. 4 times y is 4y minus 4 times 3 is 12. 4 will cancel 4. We are left with 3x. 4 will cancel 4. We are left with 6. Let's take this minus 12 here to this side. We have plus 12. 4y is equals to 3x. 6 plus 12 is 18. Let's look at the answer critically. So we have 4y, and we have, so you can see that from here that this was taken to the other side. So we have 0 equals to 3x. Okay, when 4y plus 4y comes here is minus 4y, then we still have 18 there. So 3x minus 4y, 3x minus 4y plus 18, option C. But there's another method you can use to get this. Let me show you an alternative method, which is faster. So this is an alternative method of solving this. So you start with the equation. If you go back to when the lines are parallel in one of the videos I gave an alternative method. But here you have to be careful with the alternative method. So let's start with the equation. This is the equation given to us. 4x plus 3y minus 5 equals to 0. How you add points minus 2 and 3. What you are going to do here, when you see x, you replace it with y. And when you see y, you replace it with minus x. So minus x times this 3 is minus 3x. Then you replace the number here with k, constant, and substitute. Let's go. So this is 4, our y is 3, 4 bracket 3, minus 3 bracket, our x is minus 2, plus k is equals to 0. Then what are we going to do? 4 times 3 is 12, minus 3 times minus 2 is plus 6 plus k is equals to 0. So k is equals to 12 plus 6 is 18, and when 18 comes here is minus 18. let's go back to this and put it, sorry, this place here. We have 4y minus 3x. The constant we got here is minus 18 equals to 0. It's still the same thing with this one here. Just that we are going to take the other everything to the right hand side. So if you have to take everything to the right hand side, we are still going to get what we got here. So we have 0 is equals to, or you multiply each of them by negative. Minus times 4y is minus 4y. Minus times minus 3x is plus 3x. Minus times minus 18 is plus 18 equals to 0. So let's make our 3x to come first. 3x minus 4y plus 18 equals to 0. The same thing with this. So try to go through this alternative, this first method, which is always what you always see, and also try to master the alternative method. So if you are dealing with an objective question, you have to get used to this because it's going to save you time. But if you are dealing with theory question, I will advise you to use this.